darlings, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a try-on collective haul. It's going to be a slightly different format. Usually I would hold the clothes up and do the little clips on the side. Might still do the clips on the side, but today I'm also going to wear the clothes so you can see me wearing it, and I can tell you I haven't actually tried any of these on. I haven't tried most of these on, so it's going to be a surprise to me, surprise to you guys. Super exciting, different format. I'm looking forward to it. We've got a sponsor for today's video. Today's video is sponsored by Missguided and Daz. Crazy. So if you pop into stores and pick up one of these Missguided Daz limited edition packets, you will get 25% off Missguided. Can I just say, these pods are absolutely banging. I've been using these and they're lit. They're really good. The ad isn't actually for the pods, but the pods are actually really good. So I just have to big up the pods because they're incredible. So not only do you get 6 pods, you also get 25% off Missguided. Picked up a few pieces from Missguided. Very bright, very colourful to match the weather we're having in London, although it's looking a little rainy outside. Which I'm not really feeling that, but this is the first item, guys. It's giving very much shouldn't be in this country, should be on holiday. I already know that this is gonna be a little bit too big for me, but I had to have it. I got it in a 10, big mess up, but I just had to have it. So I'm gonna pop it on and show you guys, and then we'll see how we're feeling. So 3, 2, 1. Okay, I'm obsessed. I will still leave the visual on the side so you guys can see it in its full entirety, but wowee, I love. Guys, little PSA for the gal dem. And the man dem, for the people that are watching. Your girl is due on her time of the month, so it's looking real bloaty down there. It gets real bloaty down there, it's unfortunate. So if you see a little fupa, a young hanging, let's just all be minding the good business that pays us. Thank you so much. This little number, considering I got this in a 10, listen, your girl's been in the gym, so she's feeling clothes out now. Oh my God, I'm obsessed. I am so obsessed with this. Listen, one thing about me, I'm gonna rinse a whole net. The color of this is so pretty. I'm not sure if it's coming up on camera. It's this beautiful mixed orange fabric. It's absolutely stunning. And then obviously we've got the low back. Listen, I love me a low back. I love it. It's just perfect for the summertime. I really love it. Maybe if I come closer, you can really take the color in. You need it. I love it. Incredible. Love. This one might not be for everyone. It gives very much like girly picnic vibes, but there's something about this that I kind of love. I'm not gonna lie, there's something about this that kind of makes me feel really happy. Again, oh, I got this one in a 6. Okay, so I'm hoping for a really nice fit. So let's have a look. 3, 2, 1. Okay, this isn't gonna be everyone's cup of tea. I'm okay with that. I really think this is very sweet. This is very much like picnic vibes. Let me step back. See the vision, very cute little vibes, cute little picnic vibes with your babes, cute little shopping trip with your girls, little bag, little white sandals, are you seeing the vibe? Are you grabbing? And it's obviously this really pretty yellow colour, very appropriate for spring. Realistically, the top bit isn't really tickling my fancy, but I think the low chest and the shortness of the dress just really does everything. I think that really makes it. I think this is so cute. Next outfit, we've got these joggers. These joggers are very much my style, and then we've got so the joggers I got in a 8, okay, appropriate. And then the top I got in an 8 as well, okay. We will see about that. Oh, it's like a tie, ooh. So this is the front and then you tie up the back. So you guys know I love a halter neck vibe. So this one, I'm very excited about this. This little outfit is gonna be so cute. Should we try it on? 3, 2, 1. Yeah. This top is my vibe for real. Like, this top is my vibe for real. Sorry, I feel like the back of my hair is probably not straightened properly. I'm so sorry. This top, yes. Of course, I had to put it on one button and I used the tie-up thing to hold it. Listen, this is cute. This is real cute. With the joggers, I'll leave a little like side clip so you can see what it fits like. But these are just very, casual joggers, straight leg. So it's giving the cool girl, the cool girls wear straight leg joggers. We don't do the cuff thing anymore. The only thing about these joggers, they don't have pockets. Lord have mercy, they don't have pockets. I know red isn't everyone's flavour. Another way you can style it with some white joggers. If you don't want to do too much red, these white joggers are also from Missguided. Just to give you a little break in the colour, but of course, if I'm trying to do hot and ready, I'm gonna do the red. If I'm trying to give you just a little smidgen, I'm gonna do the red with the white. Oh, the last thing I picked up from Missguided actually. I didn't show you guys this. How cute is this? It's this little cylinder bag, a satin cylinder bag. Has a chain as well. The chain isn't detachable, which is so weird. I would do a little like wrist action and have it like that. Otherwise you can take the strap off. I personally would not wear it like this, but if you wanted, you can definitely do like a over the shoulder vibe. A handbaggy vibe. So I also picked this up from Missguided. Next thing we are going to do is, let's do Zara next. Next I'm going to show you the things I picked up from Zara. Look number 1 from Zara is this dress. This dress is so cute. Like, snatches you in where it matters, let's be honest. In the waist, the stomach, snatched. I got an extra small. Surprised I actually found this in extra small, so I got it in store, and yes. This is so beautiful, like a really cute dinner vibe, little cocktail dinner vibe, drinks, whatever, bar, whatever you want to do. This is very cute, very flattering. I like the cut. The only thing I will say is I'm not filling this out, and I've got the smallest size. I'm not filling it out. I'm not mad, whatever, it's fine. I'm still gonna keep it. There's a detailing on the dress. It's not actually adjustable. Kind of just for show. This doesn't actually, it's like a ruched detailing, but it doesn't actually adjust to anything. It's just there to be there. But this is what this dress looks like. Really pretty. Yes. Yes. I'm loving it, I'm really loving it. Next we've got a 2-piece, so it's like a top. They are sold separately, a skirt. The only thing is I couldn't get an extra small even for this. Okay, so with this skirt, I thought this was the front. No. Okay, so I thought this ruched detail on the back, that's actually on the bum, and it's like a pencil skirt, no? Or is it, oh, it's on the side. Okay, it's on the side, okay, and then it's got a zipper on the back, okay, because I was confused. Okay, there we go. Let me put this on and then we'll talk about the fit. An extra small would have been doing it too much, okay? I am no longer an extra small in bottoms. Maybe it's just this skirt, I don't know, but sis, yeah, she was a bit of a nightmare to get on. Let me show you. I really like the skirt. I don't know about the top, but the skirt, I'm definitely keeping the skirt. The skirt is absolutely beautiful. I really love this ruched detail in the side with the side split. It's so sexy. I really like that. Very sexy. Kind of snatches you in and then accentuates, flattens a little bit, but still gives you a little bit, like you can see the curves. The top, I'm not really like upset. It's the sleeves for me. The sleeves are too, they're not long enough. Like, why do they just end there? Like, let me put a different top on and I'll show you. Another way to style the skirt, this is like my favorite way to style long form formal pieces at the bottom, is just with a cute crop top. I got a little stain on this when I was putting it on my bag, but yeah, this is how I would style this. I'm actually hunting for a halter neck white top that I can style with pieces like this, because I don't have one, and I would wear these with like cute little heels, like cute little bag. Yep, this is cute. I like the skirt, definitely keeping the skirt. The skirt is a big vibe. Florally type pieces, very colourful, very out there. Oh, prints. I'm gonna try these on, see how I feel. This one I've tried on, but I just can't, like, I don't know. I'll put it on and see. It's very cute, but it's just a case of not necessarily fitting around the waist. But I'm also gonna try this, which I got in a small, which apparently might just be the right size for me. Again, with that knot detailing, Zara always release some sort of skirt over knot detailing every summer. First up, we have the printed trousers. Just them in a small pockets vibe. I did get the extra small as well, but the small just made more overall sense. It just fit nicer. And even now, the waist isn't crazy, like crazy big, it's fine. These are cute, I like these. I like these a lot, to be honest. Let me try on the skirt as well. Sorry, when I've not tried stuff for the first time, my energy is always like, oh, do I like it, do I not? Trying to suss it out. But yeah, these are cute. I will leave a little cutout so you can see them full length. This skirt is giving very much vacation, minus the vacation vibes, minus the vacation. If this is your first time watching one of my videos, you're probably thinking, what the hell is going on? Like, she's all over the place. This little number, oh, okay, I'm sorry, but this skirt is very cheeky. I'll leave a cutout on the side so you can really see the vibes, but she's the colors, I love the colors, the way it fits. Oh my God, please get me on vacation. The way the knot kind of falls below the belly button, it really gives you the illusion of like a snatched stomach. Like, I love this. Yes, 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 I love this skirt. This is such a nice way to end the Zara portion of today's haul. Dresses from Mistress Rocks. These dresses are my obsession. Like, I have them in 3 colors. I have the black one from Mistress, the orange one from Mistress, and then the navy one, no, sorry, the chocolate one from House of CB. So I'm gonna try these on and show you. These are staples. Like, you absolutely need these in your wardrobe. This dress, I got in a size extra small, but it was way too small for me. So I changed and got a size small. So I'll also be trying this on. So many vacation clothes, but no vacation to go to. It's just not. This little button-down dress is my favorite style of dresses. Throw it on and be on your way. Let me be showing you. Like, wow. Ladies and gentlemen, the dress. Like, wow, 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 wow. These dresses are just, these dresses are everything. They're my absolute favorite. I just love them. You can wear them in the evening, you can wear them to barbecues, you can wear them to lunch, shopping, meetings. Obviously, if you wear them to meetings, just button them up, and then bottom bottom may have to throw in a pair of tights. But I just love them. They're so flattering. Ma'am, baby, this dress. Are you seeing this? And I love the sleeves as well. I split hem sleeves. This is not the time for the light to be going dim. Let's get the lights on and popping. Look at the material. Just look. Absolutely stunning. Obviously, you can button it down as far as you want or button up as far as you want. I wear a size extra small in both. I'll also try on the black for you. The black one, just so you're aware, has Mistress Rocks tag on it. It also comes in a navy. The orange one does not have the tag, which I think people might prefer. I'm not really that fussed that it has Mistress Rocks on the tab, to be honest, but I feel like some people will be jarred by that. So flattering, like, darling, hello. Heels, sandals, any vibe you want to vibe it with, it just vibes. Should we do the black one? Should we? 3, 2, 1. Stop it. Stop it right now. Are you joking? Are you actually, ma'am? If you don't pause and go and bookmark this dress right now. To be honest, it's probably sold out. I think they're both sold out, to be honest, but no, I know they're both sold out, but they might be back in stock by now. But a little black dress like no other. Are you joking? This? Excuse me, ma'am, this is not the time for the lights to be going low. The people need to see the material. This is just absolutely sensational. One of my favorite purchases is this dress. This black version. They also do a navy. I can't tell you how long I was waiting for them to bring this back in stock. Posted up, waiting for them to bring this dress back into stock, because look at it. This is stunning. I actually prefer this one to the orange. The black one is just incredible. As I said, I'm wearing extra small in this and extra small in the orange one. Love it. Sensational. The satin bag from Missguided. Baby, come on. Yes, this little number is so cute. However, it's almost like it's not made. Can you see that? Let me just move. It's like not finished properly. Why is there a massive gate in the back? It's just not making sense. It's such a shame because it's really, really cute. Kind of makes you look a bit shapeless in the front. It's very like constricted. This side is just like bunching a little bit. Don't really like that. I'll obviously leave a cutout so you can see what it's like. But yeah, I don't know about this one. The sizing seems a little bit off as well, but it just seems so cute for vacation. I don't know, maybe it's one that you just wear for dinner, sit down, and yeah. It's such a shame. That is the end of today's haul. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. That was so fun. I love showing you the new pieces that I picked up. A lot of them I'm very excited about, as you can see. Maybe just like the 1 or 2 that I was a bit like, not really my vibe, we'll probably send that back. But otherwise, overall, I think that's a pretty high hit rate for a haul, considering I hadn't tried any of that stuff, or most of that stuff I hadn't tried on before. So thank you once again to Missguided for sponsoring today's video. Thanks to you guys for checking it out. I will leave everything linked in the description box. If you enjoyed today's video, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!